Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am beyond excited for today's try on haul. It's going to be another Walmart try on haul, and everything that I found recently is so cute, and it is all from the free assembly line, which I have been obsessed with from Walmart lately. Like seriously, they make the best denim shorts. They have so many cute basics and they're just amazing quality. Super excited to be rounding up my absolute favorites. I'm gonna give you guys some outfit ideas to wear now in spring and even now throughout summer. Give this video a thumbs up if you are just as excited as I am about this video, and definitely let me know your favorites below. And I'd also like to say a big thank you to Walmart for partnering with me on today's video, and we are just gonna get right into all these super cute outfits. I cannot wait to share. Okay, we're gonna start off with one of my favorites. This whole outfit combo right here is such a great everyday outfit idea, but it still looks so feminine and put together. So we're gonna start off with this puff sleeve top right here. This is 100% organic cotton, so it's amazing quality. I love the softness of it. It does come in a few other color options. I love this bright pink just for a pop of color in my spring wardrobe. I do have it front tucked with these denim shorts from Free Assembly, which if you have been watching my past few videos on my channel, including my other Walmart try on hauls, I have included these a ton. These have been a top seller, and I could see exactly why. They're $18. They do come in rosy pink, which I also have in white, and they are just amazing quality. They have the cuffed bottom and they're a really nice fit. If you're in between, I would size up. Otherwise, I would say pretty true to size. And I just love the light wash paired with this pink. And then to finish off the look, I also paired my Walmart these thong sandals. They definitely give you that like luxurious look for way less, but I really love them. They're patent. I get the patent one and they're just really comfortable. I definitely love these, but they come in a ton of other colors. But I just overall love this outfit. Everything's running true to size. And then here's what this looks like on tucked. It's a really nice length. You could also pair this with the white denim shorts or jeans if you would like, and I think it is just such a good everyday basic. Okay, moving on to this really beautiful top. This also comes in a few other colors. I love this rosy pink. It's so pretty and feminine. This is not only great for like kind of a chic casual look, but you could also wear this to work, which is why I love how versatile it is. So I could totally picture this with some gray or black dress pants. You could have it like on tucked or like with a skirt, and a cute blazer would be really nice. So it is very versatile as far as like wearing for everyday versus professional. And it's a really nice fabric. It's not see-through or anything. It's 3/4 sleeves. And then, like I said, I have it paired with the same denim shorts. And then I paired these gold sandals just because I was going for like the casual vibe, because I just love these denim shorts so much. But overall, this top is so beautiful. It looks so much more expensive than it really is, and it feels so much more expensive than it really is. So definitely such a great one to add into your wardrobe. I think I may have just found one of my top picks from this entire try on haul, and it is this tank top right here. So this rib tank, it's fitted, but it is seriously the most flattering tank top, like one of the top ones I've ever owned. I absolutely adore the stretchy fabric, and being that it has like a rib detail, it became very like slim, but it's super stretchy, so it conforms to your body, which is why I love it. So it does expand and stretch. I would say pretty true to size. I'm wearing my regular extra small, but if you're in between, then you probably could just go up one. Being that it has just tons of stretch to it, I think it would just fit really nicely either way. But I have it paired, I just like this oatmeal color. I did grab the blue, which you'll see next. But I love this oatmeal paired with the blush pink denim shorts. I think it makes it look so pretty, and I just have it all tucked in. But you could certainly just like wear it with a skirt. Lots of different ways to wear these tanks. I would say this is a really good wardrobe staple, and it's not see-through or anything. It fits really nice. So I have it paired with these rosy pink shorts, which I have literally been loving so much. And then these espadrilles, which I adore too. They're really comfy. Okay, and here is the tank top in the other color. Okay, this blue is so beautiful. I love the shade of blue. It is so like, it adds a nice pop of color, but without being being too bright. I think with my hair color, I really think this color looks really flattering. So I think it is so pretty. I have it paired with the same denim shorts from earlier. I kind of went for a tone on tone look. I would do like even like a cute white kimono over this to break up the blue. And then I added on these espadrilles. They're really comfortable. Okay, up next is this darling white dress. This is so dreamy and so light and airy. I love a good white, like really pretty ruffly dress, especially in springtime. This would look so pretty with like a pop of pink. That's how I would style it, like with a pink handbag, and then I would just do like neutral shoes. I put on these brown wedges, but I do want to share this top of the dress. It is a little sheer, so definitely recommend wearing like neutral undergarments with this. Like make sure you wear like a nude seamless bra. And then the rest of it though is lined, so you don't have to worry about that. On the bottom half, it's perfect. And I really love like all the attention to detail on this design of the dress. It has this really pretty cutout here. It's not though like an open cutout. It still has like the lining behind it. And then the little puff sleeve and the ruffle on the neckline. It is just so precious and so cute. So it definitely runs true to size. The length on this one is really good as well. Okay, this next dress, I love this silhouette, and I actually couldn't decide. This dress comes in two different silhouettes. So there's this first one, has like the thick strap, and it's just kind of like a slip style dress, even though it's not a silky material. It still is a really nice lightweight material. It does fully button all the way through the dress, which is so cute. It adds a nice amount of texture to the fabric, and I'd say if it's pretty true to size, but if you're in between on this particular dress, then I would size down. I just have a pair with the same wedges as before, but I really like this more like midi length dress style. You could also style this one with a white denim jacket, or you could do a tone on tone look with a blue denim jacket. Either way though, it is so cute and just so pretty and feminine for springtime. If you're looking for an easy throw on and go dress, this one is your go-to. So I'm going to show you guys though the other silhouette that I ordered because I couldn't decide, so I thought I'd have you guys decide on a favorite. And then here is the other silhouette. I really love some of the details on this one, and I like some of the details on the other one, so I can't pick a favorite. This one has a ruffle detailing here in the chest area and a puff sleeve detail, so if you'd rather a shorter sleeve option, then I would obviously then go with the other one, but this is nice if you want to cover your arms a little bit more. This is a really more flowy silhouette, whereas the other one I'd say shows a little bit more shape. This one is also the same length. It's a midi length, so it's a little bit more plain on the bottom, but both of them are so cute. You can't really go wrong though either way, because it is hard to pick a favorite. But you guys have to let me know which one you would pick. This also does come in a few other color options, so definitely check it out. But this blue is just so pretty, and especially even going into summertime, I think blue is just absolutely stunning. Okay, up next is this sweet little black dress. It is beyond chic, and this silhouette just screams like so effortlessly chic, and I really love this silhouette. I think this is such a versatile dress. You can wear this to work just depending on your dress code. You can wear this on the daily running errands, if just throw on a denim jacket with it and just some sandals. There are so many different ways to style this dress. I feel like this is a really good wardrobe basic for not just spring but summer as well. It does have a very subtle flutter sleeve detail, so if you're looking for some more basic details and you don't want so many ruffles or eyelet, this is a really nice option. I also could picture this belted, and I think that would look so cute to define the waist a little bit more, but you could also just wear it a little bit boxier just for that everyday look. So definitely such a cute one. Fits like a dream. It's true to size, and it is so well made. I believe I remember when I was putting this in the cart, I think this comes in a few other color options. I paired it with some neutral sandals just for an everyday look, but overall this is just so chic and so stunning. Okay, and one of my last Walmart try on hauls from Free Assembly, I shared a white blouse. It was like a window paint, and I absolutely loved it, and I know you guys loved it as well. Well, now I found the super cute other option that's a little bit different, has a different style to it. It has a double cinch detail. It's really stretchy at the waistline, so it really defines your waist, and then it has a little bit of a flare at the bottom, and you can kind of see it's very faint. It has like a very soft, almost like, you can't even really tell it's like powder blue, but I want to say it is like very, very pale blue plaid. happening throughout. This does come in a couple other color options. It does come in solid white as well. So if you're not into the plaid pattern and you just want something a little bit more simple and basic, I feel like a white blouse like this is literally such a good wardrobe staple. So I have a pair with these free assembly denim shorts again and my neutral slides. But this top is so cute. It's so lightweight, but I do have my seamless bra on underneath. You cannot see it at all through, but I love this because it is so lightweight. So it's great for those super hot summer days that are going to be coming up here in PA. And this will be really nice to have on just as a very breathable fabric. I feel like it's just a really nice lightweight option, but still really nicely made. And I love this silhouette. It is so pretty. So I would definitely say true to size on this one. All right, so that is it for today's Walmart try on haul from Free Assembly. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know your favorite down below. And if you are new here, definitely consider hitting subscribe before heading out of this video. I'd love to have you join in on my channel for all things girly, feminine, lots of blush pink and neutrals, and I share lots of fashion, and then I also add in some beauty and lifestyle. So definitely consider hitting subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos like these. All right, I'm gonna end today's video here. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.